Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Google phone find my device guys, how to turn on it. Friends, you want to on guys your Google phone guys find my device settings. So how to on it. Today friends, we are going to talk about it one by one, step by step. We will talk about how to turn on find my device in Google phone device. Friends, you want to use, so you can use your find my device setting. First of all guys, how to on, open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of settings. So friends, click on guys your phone security setting, guys the security and privacy setting, guys click here. Then guys you can see device lock. Friends, you want to set guys your device lock, your any pattern pin password you can set from here. Fingerprint guys you want to set, so guys you can set from here. So guys you can see this Google security checkup, guys you want to check up, so guys you can check up from here. Friends, you can see find my device, guys we will click here. Friends, you can see turn on find my device, so that you can find lock or reset this device if it lost. So guys we will on from here. Friends, you can see turn on device location wise. So once your device location is off, so guys we will on guys this location setting. Then guys we will give permission from here, means guys use location, guys we will on it. After guys now guys we can use find my device app. Find my device helps you locate this device remotely. If you lost this device, it also helps you keep your data safe. So friends, you can on, and friends you can use find my device setting like that. And friends, you want to track your phone, so you can track also. So like that guy we can use this find my device setting in Google phone device. Friends, you don't want to use guys, you want to turn off it, so friends you can turn off. But guys you want to use, so you can on from here. Well, I will keep it on guys, because guys I want to use it. So like that guy we can on, and we can use guys find my device setting in Google phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to on find my device setting in Google phone device. So bye guys, before going please go and like the video.